Yo, it's your boy Will, and I'm back on another video. And today we will clean up a well, and this is day 5. Matter of fact, we are folding tiles with a well, so this is day 5. Repeat, this is day 5, and we will do this for 7 minutes. Let's begin. I ain't gonna use my tripod on this one, because my tripod will trip. Don't know how to hack his stuff, guys. Man, sick of this. I ain't gonna lie. I got soap throwers and stuff, bro. Don't make sense, bro. But hey, my head ain't hurting though. It's just my nose. My nose and my throat. I see what I mean, bro. Oh nah, his joggers got inside his basket, dog. Stay strong for William, man. You know, that's the only thing you can do when you're sick, man. Is stay strong for you and try your best. Try your best, man. It's the best thing you can do for yourself. Just so you can feel good about yourself while you relaxing. You ain't gotta put too much work in or none of that. Just do a little bit by little bit. That's it. That's all you have to do when you're sick. That's all you have to do. It might seem a lot though. They ain't like. That's if you got good time management, but you don't got no good time management. You are, bro. And me, I learned a lot about time management, and I still learn about time management as we talking today. I know about time management before I even know about time management. At that, why? Because I used to move around a lot. And I still move around a lot now. I'm just a content creator now. I never was no content creator before, but I'm a content creator now. I take notes. I read books. I read the Bible. Take the dog out. Cut grass. I cut grass. Take the dog out. Feed my dog. Work out. Meditate. Pray. Everything. But yeah, man. That's day 5. It's your boy Will checking out. Y'all go.